Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another video where I bring you an open invite. What that means, I have decided to start my own monthly challenge, and the name of it will be Inspired DIY Challenge. I have come up with this idea because I have been inspired quite several times by an amazing YouTubers, but Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and I thought, what would be why not make it a challenge and see what other people's inspirations are? So a little bit about the challenge. It will be due on last Tuesday of every month. So I have looked up a couple of months ahead, and it will be following between the 25th to the 29th or the 30th, something like that. It looks like that day was open, so that's why I picked it. But if one of the bigger ladies challenge falls on those dates, then of course I will let you know, and we will move my challenge maybe a day or two later. But let's talk about the challenge. For this challenge, my co-host is Michelle from Michelle's Cozy Home. I was so honored she agreed to co-host with me. Michelle is a sweetheart, and we became kind of good friends. I have been talking to her a few times on the phone, and it really feels like I know her forever. So she's such an easygoing, such a smart lady, have an amazing channel with lots of really cool DIY crafts. So if you have not heard or have not seen Michelle's channel, it is Michelle's Cozy Home. I will link it in the description below. I would strongly recommend for you to check it out. So now let's talk about the rules. I'm gonna look at my phone because, you know, so I give you the correct information. So rule number 1, find your inspiration and try to recreate it. Rule number 2, if your inspiration is a DIY from the YouTube and you know where you got it from, obviously, then please give that person a credit in the description below. Link to the video and say, I recreated based on this or something like that. But if your inspiration came from Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and you just have no clue who is the original author of it, then just make it a screenshot and say that this is what you have been inspired, because we will all would love to see what is your inspiration. So that's that. Then rule number 3, use the hashtag Inspired DIY Challenge EJD. Next, rule number 4, mention both hosts in your somewhere in your video along with the playlist. Mention somewhere in your title Inspired DIY Challenge. So that's pretty much it on the rules. So for this month, the challenge is due on August 25th at 9 a.m. Central. So the playlist will be available a day before. I will post it as early as possible on my community tab, and Michelle will have it on her community tab. But please make sure your video is set to private and or scheduled it for August 25th, 9 a.m. Central, or I think it's 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that pretty much is all I have for you for the rules. The most important rule of all is to have fun. I hope you guys will all join me. I really would like to see all your inspiration, and I can't wait to show you what I have been inspired for. But that was all for today. You are all invited to participate. And one more thing, if you don't have a YouTube channel and you would like to participate, please take a photo or take a picture, take a picture and post it either on Instagram or tag me on a Facebook page. I have a Facebook page, and I do have an Instagram. It's DIY with Elena. The hashtag, the sign at DIY with Elena, and this way we can kind of see, so you can post both your inspiration and what you have created, so you can do the challenges this way. You don't have to have a channel. But that is all for today. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. I hope you guys participate, and I will see you on August 25th. Bye.